Hello everyone, this is Siddhesh and I extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you for our 10 days yoga therapy course focused on relieving neck pain. In this course, we will learn effective yoga asanas to cure neck pain and reduce neck stiffness. See, neck pain is an incredibly prevalent issue affecting a significant number of individuals, and it's disheartening to witness. It's astonishing that nearly 30 to 40% people have experienced this distressing situation at some point. What's truly concerning is that even individuals in their 20s or even younger are now grappling with these problems, which is truly saddening. Now let's take a moment to understand the reasons behind this distressing phenomenon. Our spine, the backbone of our physical well-being, consists of 33 vertebrae. Nestled between each vertebrae is an intervertebral disc, a vital component of our spinal structure. These remarkable discs are composed of a capsule of ligaments known as the annulus fibrosus, enveloping a jelly-like substance called the nucleus pulposus. Together, they serve as an extraordinary shock absorber for our spine. Now let us delve into the intricate mechanics of our spine. See, when pressure is exerted upon it, the intervertebral discs undergo compression. However, when the pressure is released, these discs regain their original shape. But when the cervical vertebrae are misaligned and pressure is applied to the cervical spine, it can result in the compression of the spinal cord or nerve root, leading to neck pain and stiffness. This unsettling reality highlights the profound impact of our well-being, evoking feelings of discomfort and restrictions. If you find yourself spending prolonged periods seated while working or adopting improper posture, you may be all too familiar with this challenge of neck pain. Furthermore, it is prevalent concern among weightlifters where even improper exercise techniques can contribute to neck pain. Let us acknowledge these common triggers and strive for greater awareness and corrective measures to alleviate the distressing impact on our necks and well-being. Now let us delve into how this transformative 10-day yoga therapy course for neck pain will help you relieve. This course will empower you with targeted yoga practices and techniques especially designed to address and alleviate neck pain. With a comprehensive approach, you will embark on a journey of healing and rejuvenation. Through the practice of carefully curated yoga sequences, you will gradually release tension and stiffness in your neck, promoting improved mobility. The conscious integration of breath work will enhance circulation and oxygenation, nurturing the affected areas and promoting natural healing. Moreover, the nature of this course will cultivate mindfulness and body awareness, enabling you to identify and correct detrimental habits or postures contributing to your neck pain. Throughout this course, we will delve into a multitude of asanas, each serving a distinct purpose in our quest for neck pain relief. The underlying goal of every asana is to elongate the neck, facilitating the alignment of the cervical vertebrae and reduce compression. With careful guidance, you will learn how to gracefully and consciously maneuver your body, unraveling the knots of tension that constrict your neck. Through the practice of these transformative asanas, you will cultivate a harmonious relationship with your cervical spine, nurturing a state of balance and alleviating the burden of compression. Now let me introduce you to this transformative 10-day course. Each day, we will be immersing ourselves in a rejuvenating 15 minutes yoga therapy session. You can easily incorporate this practice into your daily schedule, whether it's in the morning, before starting your day, or in the evening after you come back home, based on what suits you the best. If you happen to be a housewife or if you work from home, feel free to choose a time that aligns perfectly with your routine. Even practicing in the afternoon is an option as long as you ensure a gap of 2 to 3 hours after meals to avoid any discomfort. Before we begin, it's essential that you don't start the session feeling exhausted. So make sure you are well rested and ready to engage in the practice. For your comfort, during the session, it's recommended to wear loose clothing that allows unrestricted movements. This will help you fully immerse yourself in the practice and enjoy the benefits it brings. Additionally, it's important to wait for about an hour after each session before having your meals. Also, the duration of the healing process can be vary from person to person. While some individuals may experience relief within 10 days, others may require a longer period. If you do not feel improvement within the initial 10-day time frame, it is advisable to repeat the entire course of yoga therapy until you achieve complete alleviation of your neck pain. Now, if you find these sessions helpful and valuable, I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel and share this course with your loved ones. Your support and spreading the word mean a lot to us. If you have any queries or suggestions throughout the course, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We are here to address your questions and welcome any feedback you may have. I am excited to see you in the next session, and until then, stay healthy and stay happy.